Welcome back to our YouTube channel One Drop Max. Again we are with another puzzle solving video. Watch this video from the beginning till the end to solve interesting puzzles using addition method. Before getting into our today's video, don't forget to subscribe for One Drop Max. Press the bell icon to get all the notification, like, share and comment on this video. Let's get into our puzzle solving. You can pause the video and try to solve this puzzle. If you fail to solve, just wait for few seconds so that the solution video is upcoming for you guys.
So now given the shapes they given asked to find the digit, each shape stand for what digit? Which digit stand? Circle stand for which digit? Square stand for which digit? Circle and triangle. So each shape stands for some other digit. What is the digit we have to find? They asked what is the value of square, circle and triangle. Now listen, sum of three digits become among the three digits only is repeated and it goes you forward. It may be more than 10, less than 20. It's not possible to get more than 20 because more than 20 is only way you can add the three different digits. So all three should be different because of three different shape. So all the three numbers are different numbers. It's not equal numbers. So if you have three different single digit, if you add only the possible get more than 20, but the digit will be not repeated. For example, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 3, 24 will come. That 4 is not among these three digits. So only the possible more than 10, less than 20. Then only among the three digits anyone will be repeated. So from that we come to conclusion. So sum of three shape, sum of square plus circle plus triangle, it gives 10. For example 13, it's a two digit number but we can write 10 plus 3. So then only the unit place you can write here. Our unit place is circle, then you can add with the 10. Okay, we can add with the 10. It's a circle, it's not a 0. Circle plus 10. So from that we can able circle cancel. Then we have sum of square plus triangle equal to 10. So with the help of the first unit place, we come to conclusion sum of square plus triangle equal to 10. So now write here. So square plus triangle, it get value 10. Then come to the third one. After adding, we give borrow 1 to here. So that 1 plus sum of 3 times circle. So 3 circle, so circle not 30, 3 circle equal to square is there. So here also will come less than 20 only possible. Okay, so it may be 10 plus circle will come. It become a 10 plus square. So that the 10 when come to here it become a borrow of 1. Okay, a borrow of 1. So from here same thing you can write 3 circle, later you can use that. Now come to here. So 1 plus square. So 1 plus square then equal to it become a circle. So when instead of square you can write circle minus 1. That circle minus 1 substitute here to find the circle value. So 1 plus 3 circle. So please separate all the three categories. So 1 plus 3 circle plus 10 plus instead of square substitute circle minus 1. When circle comes this side, so 3 circle minus circle, already 10 minus 1 9. Again the 1 become a minus 1, so it become a 8. So 2 circle equal to 8, then circle equal to 8 by 2, the value become a 4. The circle value is 4. So we know the circle value 4, substitute here, then we are able to get square value. So 4 minus 1 become a 3. So circle value is 3, square value is, circle value is 4, square value is 3. Already you know that square plus triangle equal to 10. So you substitute the square value, then it become triangle equal to 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Substitute and check the values. So you can write square equal to 4. Write the order. Square equal to 3 and circle equal to 4 and the triangle equal to 7. Now you can add here circle you have to write. Circle value is 4. So 4, 4, 4. You can add 7 plus 3 plus 7, 10 plus 14, remaining 1. So 12 plus 1, 13. 13 can write 3. Again remaining 1 will come. Instead of square, writing 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So circle, circle, square. Square, square. This is a triangle. So the value is 4, 3, 4. But the individual value they ask square represent 3, circle represent 4, and triangle represents 7.
That's all for today's video. Stay tuned with One Drop Max YouTube channel by subscribing it and pressing the bell icon to get all the notification. Like and share the video if it was very useful and interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.